Ever wished you could get, like, significantly better results from your AI tools? You know, ChatGPT, Grok, Claude, Gemini.
Without paying anything extra.
Exactly. Better writing, better ideas, the works. Well, we stumbled upon this fascinating technique online.
Oh, yeah. What's the idea?
It suggests making these powerful language well, sort of jealous of each other.
Jealous? Really? How does that even work with AI?
I know, it sounds weird, right? But the idea, apparently proposed by Greg Eisenberg, is you prompt multiple LLMs, these large language models, with the same task.
Okay, get a few different takes on it. Makes sense.
Then you show each of them what another one did, maybe implying one did a, superior job.
Ah, so you're trying to spark some kind of competitive drive. Interesting. Yeah. So the goal is to make them outperform each other.
That seems to be the theory. So today we're going to dive deep into this jealousy technique. We want to understand it, look at Eisenberg's own demonstration.
And see what insights we can maybe pull out for interacting with these tools, maybe even optimizing them.
Right. So Eisenberg apparently started by shifting his own approach. Instead of just using one LLM at a time,
he started using several simultaneously for the same job.
Getting those diverse responses from the get-go.
That's key. And then comes the jealousy trigger, as you called it.
Yeah, he actively compares them. He'll present one LLM's output to another, maybe with his own, let's say, subjective feedback.
Saying, hey, this other one did better, even if it's, like, a bit strategic.
Could be. He demonstrated it with a cold email he needed for his AI design firm, LCA.
Okay, practical example. So he prompted who? ChatGPT.
ChatGPT, Grok, and he mentioned Claude, too, with the same request for this cold email.
So what were the initial results like? Did one stand out?
Well, Grok's first draft focused on, intuitive conversation, mentioned their specific expertise, native design, stuff like that, and a call to action for a 15-minute call.
And how did Eisenberg rate that one?
He gave it a 9 out of 10. Pretty strong.
Okay. And ChatGPT, what did it come up with?
Its first email had the subject, "Your AI deserves better design." It name-dropped some known companies LCA worked with, pointed out potential UI issues.
Trying a different angle, more critique-based.
Yeah, and offered a quick Loom video teardown. Eisenberg rated that one only a 5 out of 10.
Wow, big difference, 9 versus 5. Okay, so now comes the interesting part.
Exactly. This is where the tactic comes in. He went back to ChatGPT, told it Grok crushed it with a 9 out of 10.
Oh, directly comparing them.
Yeah, and he even said he was surprised ChatGPT's performance was so average, and then he actually shared Grok's email with ChatGPT.
Okay, showing it the better example. What did ChatGPT do then?